So, as I was looking at these laws, I began to be very curious why there was not something that was uniform. Why are there so many different laws across different states? Now, I know arguments about states' rights and every state's different, but I mean, some of these things are just cars and bicycles on a road. Like, what's the difference? So, I actually found out there is something called the Uniform Vehicle Code. However, it's been losing favor. It's a nonprofit organization. It's kind of a collection of government officials and groups and people in the related industries. And one of the reasons why it's losing its power is because around 2000 they started losing funding because the internet made laws so accessible to people they could just search for laws on their own, and they didn't really need the universal vehicle code as much. But there is a uniform vehicle code, but it really is a good idea, I think. For example, when we saw the dooring laws, whether, most of the states, almost all the states say you can't leave a door open and you can't open it in front of a bicyclist. So that's a good law, and there's no reason not to have it in all 50 states. So I think we should do more of this. In closing, just respect everyone on the road. Know that there are a lot of laws that are protecting the safety of bicyclists, and there are general traffic laws that mean you don't get to be a jerk around each other. If a bicyclist is being a jerk, I apologize for their behavior, but again, know that they are maybe frustrated, maybe they almost got killed a half a block ago, and there might be a good reason. There might not be, but no matter what the situation, if you hit a bicyclist with a car, it's bad news for that bicyclist. So I hope you consider that when you are getting angry, when you're frustrated because you're stuck in traffic and a bicyclist goes by you between the lanes. It shouldn't cause anger in you. And this is where I want you to really encourage you to watch my Psychology of Bicycling video series, where I really talk about the errors of judgment, the biases that we have that lead to this anger that we feel toward each other. And hopefully in watching that series, we'll begin to diffuse this animosity that we feel toward each other. So thanks for watching. Let's, no matter what state you're in, let's make this a better place for everyone. And I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.